Hey there! If you're coaching clients and tracking sessions in your Notes app, this puts the whole business in one spreadsheet. Clients, sessions, progress, invoices, and tax. Let me show you how it works. Settings is the one-time setup. Your business name, your tax set-aside percentage, and the drop-down lists, package types, session types, and client statuses that everything else pulls from. The client roster is your book of business. Each client's goal, package, rate, billing, sessions bought, sessions used, and sessions left, with a renewal date so nobody quietly runs out mid-month. The session log is the daily record. Date, client, session type, duration, attendance, and a notes field. And it's what drives the sessions used count on the roster. Client progress is what keeps people renewing. Weight, body fat, chest, waist, hips, arms, key lifts, and whether you took progress photos. Being able to show a client month 3 against month 1 is the whole retention game. Income and invoices tracks the money in 3 states: invoiced, collected, and outstanding, with the client, amount, payment status, method, and date paid. The lead pipeline is your growth tab, where each lead came from, what stage they're at, estimated value, and when to follow up. Expenses and tax logs your costs, certifications, equipment, software, with a deductible flag and a running deductible total. And the dashboard brings it together. Active, paused, and canceled clients, monthly recurring revenue, total invoiced, and total collected. That's the personal trainer and online coach client manager. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.